Say morning, Fibs.
Like blue.
Say morning, Fibs.
Morning, please.
Where are you going?
To school.
I'm going to school. Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am off to school with the nuggets. We're heading to school bright and early this morning.
Mama?
Yes?
What are vegetables at school?
You eat fruits and vegetables at school? Really?
Yeah.
What kind of fruits you eat and vegetables?
Red, green,
Wow!
orange,
Wow!
and
Hello, Tyler, look, see your friend up there? Is she up there? You see her? Wave, say hello! Listen, we walk past an old age home every day, and there's an old lady who is always waving to Tyler, and she's always looking out for him. See her there, wave! And Tyler enjoy waving back to her. She's the sweetest. She's so cute, and that pink building over to my shoulder, that's where she is, on the balcony. Every morning she out there, it's like she's looking out for him. Isn't that the sweetest thing ever? And look at Tyler, it makes you so happy. You see your friend?
yes.
Aww. I swear, old people and kids are the sweetest. They're just the sweetest, man. Anyway, you guys, we are heading to school right now. We hope if it's bright and early for you guys are up and heading out to school and to work and doing whatever it is that you guys have to do. Just have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved. Babe actually left out like about 15 minutes before us because he went to catch the bus and we're just strolling down the street. So yeah, hopefully you guys have a good day. Stay positive, you guys. Stay away from negative people. Stay loved. Have a good day. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're doing today. Even if you're staying home, sitting on the couch, doing nothing all day, enjoy doing that. Love you guys. And we're heading to school. So see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Today is one of those days where I felt like staying home and do nothing. When I say nothing, I mean I felt like resting. I had a rough night last night because Tyler been waking up for some reason throughout the night and crying last night. So I had to sleep with him at one point just to make him rest for school this morning. And then he still woke up early and came to my room this morning. So I decided this morning that after I dropped him from school, I was gonna get back home and I was gonna sleep. And I got some well-needed rest, honey. I woke up, I ate, and I just chill. I didn't even make dinner, so you guys know I did nothing, okay? It's Friday. and we'll be just snacking on whatever is around here for dinner today. So that's what I've been doing all day. But right now I'm heading out to work, and babe should be home in time to get Tyler from school, and then we're gonna head to the supermarket to do some supermarket shopping. So yeah, that's what's up right now, you guys. Please, if you're new to our channel, subscribe, and if you're not new and you've already subscribed and you're not getting your notification, hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll get your notification and you won't miss a thing that is happening with us, okay? And by the way, you guys on social media, please follow me on Instagram if you haven't been following, so you guys can see all the pictures that we are posting that you guys won't see on YouTube, and all the little silly funny things that I post on Instagram with the fam. Anyway, you guys, I am heading out to work right now, and I'll catch you guys in a few hours. What you doing? You guys, look who is home. Look who is home. You're home? What you doing? What you doing? You guys, listen, I am so pissed. When I say I'm so pissed, I mean I'm so pissed. You guys wondering, but you just told us that you're gonna go to work and then baby's gonna pick up Tyler. I reached work and was told that I don't have work today. I'm like, are you people serious? Like, seriously? I talked to you yesterday and you told me that I have work even when you weren't on my schedule. Sit and talk to Faves. Take off your bag. Come here. Sit here. Talk to Faves. I realized that I didn't have any work today on my schedule, on my calendar, but when I spoke to someone, they said I have work today, so I should come in. Reach, and I don't have work. I'm like, are you people serious?
Mama?
I'm just so pissed. Yes? What did you have for lunch at school today? What did you have at canteen today? Tell the Faves.
Bread.
And you said you had something that was yummy. What is it? Look at the Faves and tell them.
Guess what you got?
What did you got?
What did you got?
What? You got ice cream?
You got what ice cream for me?
I'm not talking about what I had for you. You told me that you had chocolate ice cream today at school. And you didn't leave any for Mama?
Yeah.
You didn't leave none for Mama? No, it's in the fridge. What did you eat for lunch? He wants Kisco. What did you eat for lunch? No, not here. Up here. Which flavor you want? This is what he wants. And this one? Yes.
No.
Which one? Which color?
This one.
Green?
No.
Red? Tell her talk fast now.
Yes, I want
Sure. He's hilarious. No, it's cold.
It's cold?
Yes. Tell the Faves what you had for lunch today at school. Come here.
No, I can't.
Come tell them what you eat at canteen. What did you eat at canteen today? Every day you eat bread. Every day you eat bread, tomato and cheese. You told me that you had chocolate ice cream, no?
Tomato.
And what else?
Tomato.
Okay, tomato and what else? Come, take off your vest. Stand up. Stand up. Come.
I don't.
Oh, take off your vest. Take off your uniform. Bravo! Give it to Mama. Is who put your shirt in your pants? Is you put your shirt in your pants? Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweet pea. I miss you today.
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too. Anyway, you guys, even though I'm hella pissed, I'm happy that I'm back home doing nothing. I'm just gonna chill with Tyler until babe gets home. We go to the supermarket. So I'm back home, shawty. Okay, you guys. So today is just complete unexpected and a complete.
What's the sound?
It's just you know, one of those days where
What's the sound?
I don't know. Come on. It's just one of those days where you have your day all planned out and everything just go completely different. So we didn't end up going to the supermarket. Babe and Thailand is walking right now to go and meet Babe because Babe had to come home late. He had some things at work unexpected that happened that he had to figure out. So he had to stay at work to figure that out. So he's coming home super late and Tyler wanted to see him. So Tyler is staying up and not going to bed so that he can see Babe. So he doesn't know that we are coming to meet him right now. He's just not having a good day at all. So we are just going up the street to meet him real quick, just taking a night stroll basically. So I know he'll be happy when he sees us. At least that will put a smile on his face. So our day didn't go as planned, but you know, times like this when your day don't press the gate, baby. Press the gate, Ty. On days where you guys are going through disappointments and unexpected events, just take it as, turn it into something positive. Don't feel too sad about it. Well, then again, feel sad about it, cry if you have to, but then just think about it as the truck is going to your house.
Yes.
Just think about it as something good will come out of any all disappointments. So I know Babe will be happy when he sees us. So we just have to be there for him and give him support in times like these when he's sad and his day is not going as planned. Especially my day that didn't go as planned either. But anyhow, we're gonna meet Babe right now. You guys, Papa coming, so we're hiding him.
Yeah.
Yes. We got you real good, didn't we?
You know when you're gymming.
Tyler, we got him.
You know when you're gymming. You know what's she gonna come at the bus stop like and I say nah.
Yeah, but you know me, you know I always come and meet you when you're late like this.
But then I was dreaming. You know when you're in your head and you're dreaming. Oh, you get me.
The car's coming.
Yes, the car coming, but you're on the sidewalk, so it won't catch you here. Oh, I see you hold your heart, honey.
You get me. You know when you especially you're dreaming, you're like this and you just what's going on.
And Tyler didn't make any sound this time, so you couldn't. I thought you saw when we were coming around the corner. I had to turn back like this.
I was dreaming. I wasn't looking anything.
Anyway, you guys, I got my boo-boo. Say hi to the
Hi
face.
guys, I'm very tired.
And very sad.
Very tired.
Oh my God, he's waking up the entire neighborhood.
Very tired.
Anyway, you guys, we're heading home now.
Yeah, hungry too.
Hold it just like right here. Okay?
Okay.
Look at it. You hold it?
Yes.
Hold it with the two hands. Right here. Wait. Here.
This.
Say notification shout out goes to
Notification goes to
Jackie Brown.
Jackie Brown.
Say hi, Auntie Jackie.
Hi, Auntie Jackie.
Thanks for watching.
Jackie Mama,
Yes.
your name is Jackie Boy.
No, my name is not Jackie Brown. Is a subscriber named Jackie Brown.
Jackie Boy. What the favorite?
What you wanna tell Faves?
Fifth? I'm going to bed. Bye.
I'm going to bed. Bye. Anyway, you guys, thanks Jackie for watching. We love you.
Jackie for watching you.
Tyler is going to bed, as you guys can tell.
Hi guys, well, this is the end of the day. I'm back home and I am very tired, but tomorrow is the weekend, so no more family time.
And that brings us to the Jamaican expression of today, which gonna be Inna the Marrows. If you hear a Jamaican say, yo, miss you inna the Marrows, simple mean I will see you tomorrow. So Inna the Marrows mean tomorrow.
Inna the Marrows.
Right.
Se coucher à l'heure des poules. I mean like to go to bed at chicken time. The poulet.
Okay.
At chicken time.
So what time chicken goes to bed?
Early. Early. Somebody that go to bed early, we say that he's going to bed at chicken time. So my babe, sometimes she go to sleep at chicken time.
Well, I guess tonight will be chicken time for me because I'm going to bed right
That's
now.
after chicken time.
I just put
It's
timer
late.
down. It's almost 10.
It's almost 10.
But he
Chicken
had a
time
rough
is
night
far
last
ago.
night. Se coucher à l'heure de poule.
Good job. You
My
study French today?
arms. Ooh, if I study French today? Maybe. Anyway, you guys, here you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Subscribe if it's the first time to our channel. Turn on the notification bell just beside the subscribe button. That way you will catch all the videos that we upload Mondays to Fridays. We love you guys. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.